Hello again, it's the Sports Betting Whale. It's the MLB All-Star break, and today is one of those rare times of the year where there are no major sporting events happening. This makes for a great time for us to give you a preview of what's happening next here at Whale Sports. Here's today's big news flash. We've officially changed from being an LLC to a corporation to prepare for the future growth and a potential merger acquisition of our company in the future. Today I want to share with you an opportunity to possibly take part of this growing, unbelievably rapid expansion here at Whale Sports. The Supreme Court decision earlier this year to allow U.S. states to legalize sports betting has paved the way for Whale Sports to rapidly expand and scale towards becoming the world's leading sports information and advisory service. As always, our philosophy here at Whale Sports and the Champ is to let you know when there might be an excellent opportunity to make money with us. Right now, we are offering you a great way to make a high fixed return by investing into Whale Sports, plus participating in an equity round for free as an upside bonus. So here's what's recently happened here at Whale Sports. The newest member to our company, Whale Sports Inc., is online sports marketing heavyweight Justin Tupper from Revolution Golf and NBC Sports. Justin Tupper is recognized for founding and building golf's largest direct-to-consumer digital platform, Revolution Golf. He started out of his house and built it into the largest membership golf program in the world. After building his company to approximately $40 million a year in sales and millions of members, Revolution Golf was acquired last year by NBC Sports for a healthy multiple of revenues, creating a huge windfall for him and his shareholders. Since then, Revolution Golf has been integrated into the Golf Channel NBC Sports digital portfolio of golf lifestyle products. Justin Tupper and his team are experts in sports information marketing with immense resources and expertise across media platforms including SEO, paid search, email marketing, video blogs, video channels, television, and direct mail. Justin and his staff will be a tremendous resource to help Whale Sports Inc. expand its market to a global audience. Many large networks and other companies are looking to acquire a sports information advisory service such as Whale Sports. Therefore, that's the reason we went ahead and switched from an LLC to a corp to put ourselves in the position to work with the big networks and companies around the world interested now in this space. One of our newest investors to Whale Sports is a prominent corporate and gaming lawyer named Joel Silverman. Before opening Silverman Law Office, Joel Silverman was an attorney in Nevada, then went to Montana, where he was part of the Department of Revenue, specializing in gambling matters there in the state of Montana. His law office currently represents numerous wealthy clients in casinos across the U.S. As a sophisticated and successful lawyer, Joel has reviewed the Whale Sports business plan in depth, talked to management, and has led the investment round that he's starting with his group himself personally. As you'll see, he recently just wired us $50,000 of his own money to invest into Whale Sports Inc. You can see the proof of Joel Silverman's $50,000 investment here on the screen. Joel is also presenting the Whale Sports investment opportunity to his long list of wealthy clients, as he believes that this is a strong investment opportunity at a hot timing window due to the recent Supreme Court ruling allowing for the legalization of sports betting in all U.S. states. Whale Sports Inc. is now in a rapid expansion stage as it looks to secure an additional $5 million in this round of capital raise. This capital will be used towards a high-budget marketing campaign to help position Whale Sports on major sports TV networks. So the commercials are going to run in the markets that allow sports betting. Of course, Nevada, New Jersey, and several others are in play right now. Everything's going to change when you watch sports going forward, even starting this football season. They're going to talk about the spreads and the odds, and we want to sponsor segments where they do, where people can come and get a free pick for the day and sign up with Whale Sports. Our COO and General Counsel for Whale Sports Inc. has extensive relationships with regional and national major sporting event networks and stadiums. He'll be pursuing feature sponsorship arrangements for the upcoming football, basketball, and NHL seasons. So what's needed? Whale Sports is looking for the $5 million right now to expand its marketing campaigns. This offers for accredited investors and limited number of sophisticated investors. These marketing efforts are going to include sponsoring new segments on sports broadcasts that will now include the odds and spreads for the games. For example, on a major sports television network, you'd see this segment brought to you by Whale Sports. Go to Whale Sports to receive a free pick and analysis on today's games. You can imagine how much traffic that's going to bring to the company. Expanded ads on network radio and television, call centers to handle the large influx of responses and customer service that will be needed. Exclusive customer offers with sportsbooks and casinos. We have a lot going on. We have a new app that's coming out here soon that will a lot of people all over the world to use because it's going to be a lot more efficient to use to keep track of your games and your scores with an absolute call list where you can call on whatever games you want to follow for the day and get alerts on everything that's going on with those games. I'm excited about using it myself. So the goal for Whale Sports is to rapidly scale up, entertain a merger or sale opportunity at a minimum of $7 per share, which would be a valuation of north of $250 million. That won't be very difficult for us to do with all the expansion plans that we have. So here's what Whale Sports is offering you as a potential investor. 3-year notes with 12% annual interest paid quarterly. So it'd be 3% of the principals paid every 3 months, 12% a year. You get 1 bonus share for every $5 in notes. You get a 4-month option to convert all or part of your notes at $1 a share. Again, this is your option. If you want to just stick with the notes and your bonus shares, you can. But if you really like what you see in the next 4 months and you want to lock in some more shares at $1, you can. We plan on the dividends starting in year 2. So the ownership not only will grow in value on the stock price, but you're also going to receive some dividends. Any owner will, is what the company's planning to do. And then once the shares are valued at $7 or more per share, we'll entertain an offer. Doesn't mean we have to take it at 7. We can wait for 10 or 20 or whatever, but anything over 7 we'll present it at a shareholder meeting. So I'll give you an example of what Joel just did with his $50,000 investment into Whale Sports Inc. He's receiving 12% interest, so he's going to get $6,000 a year, paid quarterly, $1,500 every quarter. He's going to receive 10,000 bonus shares in Whale Sports Inc. He's getting a right to convert his $50,000 note, any part of it, to stock at $1 a share within the next 4 months. He'll have the right to purchase an additional 50,000 shares at the rate of $1 for 4 months. Again, his choice, not ours. He'll start receiving dividend payments, starting to expect those to flow in early to mid-2019. And if he does not convert to stock, he will receive all of his note principal paid back in full no later than year 3. So essentially, the 12% interest gives him a safe and steady gain, while the rest gives him a huge potential to generate large returns on the upside. Why are we doing it this way? Because we want everyone to win. We like the idea of a nice, steady, safe return for everybody, plus an upside bonus on the stock. If you just bought the stock right now, before all this new marketing kicks in, how do you value it? You're not sure. So we just went ahead and said, we'll just give you some shares on the note program. That's what the company decided to do for everybody, and I'm 100% in support of it. And obviously, as you know, I put my money where my mouth is on any bet or any investment. This one, I'm intimately aware of what's going on, so I highly recommend it, especially with the idea of getting the guaranteed interest off an already profitable cash flowing company that can afford to pay the interest payments as we speak before all the marketing kicks in, and the upside on the stock side. It's really as close to a no-brainer as anything I've personally seen. So I personally have shares in Whale Sports through my family entities, and I feel very strong about the growth potential. After this Supreme Court decision to legalize sports betting in all states this year, timing is now and the iron is hot. So if you want to invest in Whale Sports, you're accredited or sophisticated investor, and you like the idea of getting a nice high 12% fixed interest rate with bonus shares, stock dividends, and the opportunity to convert or buy more shares at a low price of $1 over a 4-month period, really simple. Just text INVEST to 702-462-1135. There's an investor deck that can be sent to you, and if you like that and you are a sophisticated or accredited investor, then the attorneys will send you a private placement memorandum, which has everything under the sun, the financial statements and forecasts, everything that you would need to make an investment. Show it to your financial advisors or lawyers, like we did with Joel, and get their feedback if you want. Make sure that you're comfortable with it. But at this point, I'm very, very comfortable in the way the offer is being formatted, that there's just not a whole lot of downside on this now that the Supreme Court has made it legal. And of course, it's legal in many other countries around the world as well. So we're expanding everywhere that we possibly can. It's a great opportunity to make some money, nice, consistent money, and the upside. So again, if you're interested in joining the champ and the whale team with Whale Sports Inc., text INVEST, INVEST, to +1 702 462 1135. We will let everyone know when the 5 million is closed out and no longer available, because it might happen pretty quick. So if you're interested, contact us through INVEST. It's 1-702 462 1135. Someone will send you more information to look at. Show it to your financial advisors, accountants, and attorneys. And at that point, if you're interested, the attorneys will send a PPM if you're qualified to invest in it. Thanks. Bye.